In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a halftone effect in Canva. This classic dotted look is perfect for retro posters, comic book styles, or adding texture to otherwise flat images. It's simple to do, and you don't need any previous design experience. Just follow along. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design, or open an existing one where you want the halftone effect to appear. You can use any canvas size you like. Instagram posts, posters, thumbnails, or presentations all work. If your design already includes a photo or illustration, make sure it's placed where you want it, because the halftone element will sit over the top. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where you'll find shapes, graphics, and, in our case, the halftone patterns we need. In the search bar at the top, type halftone or dot pattern. You'll see a variety of options: dense dots, spaced dots, circular patterns, and gradients. Pick a style that matches the mood of your project. Bolder dots feel more graphic and vintage, while finer dots are more subtle. Click the element you like to add it to your design. Once it's on the canvas, resize it by dragging the corners and position it over your image. If the pattern doesn't cover the whole area, enlarge it until it does. You can rotate it slightly for a dynamic feel, or align it straight for a clean, uniform look. The goal is to place it so it enhances your subject without overwhelming it. With the halftone element selected, go to the top menu and adjust the transparency. Lowering the transparency blends the dots with your image so they feel integrated rather than sitting harshly on top. There's no perfect number here. Some designs look great around 20 to 40%, while others can handle stronger textures. Trust your eye and tweak it until the balance feels right. If you want to enhance the look even more, click your image, go to Effects, and try Duotone or other filters. Duotone lets you map the shadows and highlights to two colors, which pairs beautifully with halftone textures. You can choose bold, contrasting colors for a pop art vibe, or keep it monochrome for a refined, print-inspired finish. A slight adjustment to saturation or contrast can also help the dots stand out. And that's how you create a halftone effect in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.